How can you make your bathroom smell good all the time? Please subscribe to motivate us. Keeping every corner of your home clean and tidy is an essential thing. But when it comes to the bathroom, no one is ready to use it when it is not clean, and it is the only place in the house that smells rough. Keeping the bathroom smelling good not only makes it a more pleasant space but helps it appear cleaner and more attractive. So bathrooms are the most important room of your home that needs to be clean and smell good. The question is how to make your bathroom smell good, because no one has much time in their busy schedule to clean the bathroom every day. However, there are many tips and hacks available that can be used to solve this problem. Here in this article, we have a helpful guide for you that will help you to keep your smell good all the time. And there are the following things that you need to do and consider. Don't keep wet towels inside the bathroom. Many of us make the mistake of leaving the wet towel inside the bathroom after taking a bath rather than making it dry in the sun or a dryer. Whether they are luxury bathroom towels or ordinary towels, those wet towels will start giving a bad smell because of humidity. So it is advisable to dry your towels in the sun just after using them to prevent them from giving smell and kill the germs. Use automatic bathroom air fresheners. A fresh aired bathroom with a good smell makes it more attractive to use. But maintain its air freshening is quite tricky. But we live in the modern world of technology. We have been introduced to such things that have made our life easier. Here you can use an electronic automated air freshener. All you need to do is on this device and leave it be, and then enjoy the lovely scent of it in your bathroom all the time. Make use of lemons. Lemons play a very effective role when it comes to cleaning and removing foul smells. Lemon has properties like high levels of citric acid that act as a cleanser and detergent. Such as you can take a lemon and can rub it in a place where you find stains. While removing the smell, you need to cut the lemon into slices and place it in the area where you feel the smell coming from. Install proper ventilation. Having a ventilation system installed in a bathroom is essential, as air keep crossing through the bathroom, so it doesn't let moisture and humidity in the bathroom. And your bathroom remains fresh and free from any foul smell. Consider keeping the window of the bathroom open after using it. It would be best if you install an exhaust fan to run ventilation, release the steam from your shower, airs out the bathroom. Moreover, it helps to bring in some fresh air from outside. Wash bathroom rugs regularly. Bathroom rugs and mats also give a bad smell in your bathroom when you don't wash them adequately and regularly. A bathroom is a wet place, and rugs get wet and remaining placed a floor they get humid. And start giving smell. Not only this, but these also contain bacteria in them that is absolutely not good for you. So, it is advisable to wash your bathroom mats regularly and keep them in the sun to get them dry and kill germs. Use drain cleaner. One of the other ways that your bathroom gives a smell is a drain. Make sure to keep your drains clean. To keep your drain clean, you can use baking soda and white vinegar. These will help you vanish the things that are blocking the drain or giving a bad smell. And water will be easily flowing from your drain. Wrapping up. The bathroom is the most important part of your home that needs to remain clean. Although it is essential to keep all of your homes neat and clean, bathroom is a place where people feel stinky if not cleaned and smelly. But it happens that most of you keep the bathroom clean, but it still gives a smell. There can be many reasons behind this that you are considering. Here in this article, we have mentioned some of the ways that will help you to keep your bathroom fresh and in good smell all the time. We hope that these ways will help you to get rid of the foul odor from your bathrooms. Thanks for watching video.